In the previous video, we focused on cutting and grinding the glass for these large stained glass panels. Now we're moving on to the next stages: copper foiling, soldering, and patina application. Working with panels of this size requires extra precision. Small inaccuracies that might go unnoticed in smaller pieces can quickly add up here. That's why every step in this stage is done carefully, with constant checking to keep the panels straight, balanced, and consistent along their entire length. We begin with the metal border strips that will reinforce the long edges of the panels. These aluminum strips help the panels keep their shape over time. We wrap copper foil only on the side that will touch the stained glass, leaving the outer side unfoiled to avoid excess solder buildup. Next, we move on to the glass pieces. Each piece is wrapped with copper foil chosen to match the thickness of the glass. The foil is centered carefully along the edge, pressed down smoothly and burnished all the way around. Corners need special attention. Instead of overlapping the foil, we fold it neatly like a small envelope. This keeps the edges clean and helps create smooth, controlled solder lines later. As we work, we inspect every piece closely. At this stage, we notice a small defect in one of the glass elements. Rather than risking problems later, we replace it completely, recutting, grinding, and foiling the piece again. Catching issues now is essential, especially when working on large-scale panels. Once all pieces and border strips are foiled, we prepare for soldering. Flux is applied to every foiled seam to help the solder flow evenly and form strong joints. During soldering, steady movement is key. We work at a consistent pace and avoid passing over the same area too many times. Too much heat can loosen the foil or cause the glass to crack. The goal is smooth, even, slightly rounded solder lines. Strong, clean, and visually balanced. With soldering complete, the panels come together as a solid structure. At this point, we move on to patina. The patina is applied to the solder lines to deepen the color, enhance contrast, and define the geometry of the design. This step brings clarity and character to the overall composition. Finally, the panels are cleaned and polished, revealing the full richness of the colors and the finished look of the solder work. And here's the result. Large stained glass panels, fully assembled and finished. Bold color, clean geometry, and careful craftsmanship come together in the final piece. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next one.